Hi, I'm Mr. Reeder. I'm the Collision Repair Technology Instructor at SunTech. Are you a high school student with a passion for cars and a knack for precision? Do you dream of a career where your skills make a big impact? Welcome to the Collision Repair program, where your future begins. This program is more than just fixing dents and scratches. It's about shaping and restoring vehicles back to their pre-accident condition. Here you'll gain hands-on experience that sets you apart in today's competitive job market. Want to earn while you learn? You can. Through our cooperative education program, you'll gain real-world experience on the job. From MIG welding and dent repair to precision sanding and immaculate painting, you'll master the skills to create a true automotive masterpiece. Along the way, you'll also earn industry-recognized certifications like I-CAR Academy and SP2. Completing this program is your roadmap to success. Whether you choose to start your career full-time, pursue higher education, or serve in the military, Collision Repair gives you the trade skills to succeed anywhere. And with dual enrollment opportunities at Pennsylvania College of Technology, you can even earn college credits while still in high school. Your future is waiting. Start your journey with Collision Repair Technology today.